How to create numbered list in Word. So first, go to your document. So here, for example, I want to turn this into a numbered list, right? So what you can do is just highlight all of this text here, and then you can just click on this numbering here at the top, and there you go. Now, as you can see, it's been numbered. So let's say you want to start, or you haven't yet listed all of the things here for your numbered list, right? So what you can do is click here, and then you can just click on the numbering here, and then you can begin typing all of the list that you want to add here. So for example, here, as you can see, now I have a number 1 here. Now I'm going to type something, and then once you press enter, as you can see, now everything that you do after enter are all numbered. All right, so you can do this, or you can just do the thing I did earlier, which is just highlight the list and then click on the numbering here, and there you go. All right, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.